Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy Paul from Grumpy Head TV. It is hot outside. Not that I'm complaining, because I'd rather it be hot than shoveling snow in the winter. But I was going to clean my car. That's not going to happen, so I decided to call the folks over at Mobile Suds. They're coming over to detail the vehicle in and out. And it's very important to keep your car clean, because when it comes time to sell your vehicle or trade in your vehicle, you know, it does make a difference. The paint, the swirl marks and everything, these guys come to your place of work or your house, and then they basically go through the vehicle and make sure it's clean. So as they're doing that, we're going to be filming. So check it out.
Lost to the war, shot me dead. I was lost and I said to the voices in my head, I'm gonna get up again.
Hello, sir. So I'm gonna drive, and I'm gonna do a dry wash, and then I'm gonna take you with thinner, all of this, because that's the only way to come out. They're like really, you know, it needs a lot to come out. All this here, then I'm gonna do the interior, and then I'm gonna polish the whole car.
Okay, thank you.
Look into my eyes.
Welcome back. So Chris from Mobile Suds is done cleaning the vehicle. It's glistening in the exterior. The interior is clean. All that mess inside our vehicle from traveling to shows, people being in there and dropping stuff, it's in immaculate condition, just like we got it off the showroom floor. So if you want to learn more about Mobile Suds, we'll post their information below, as well as the end of the video. And guys, remember to subscribe. Peace until next time.